Hey, what's going on, everyone? Bennie, founder of the Teach Me to Fish Effects trading community. I'm back with another inspirational video. As always, please keep in mind that there are risks involved whenever you make any type of investments. All right, so currently I am in this trade, GBP my first video, you guys saw me catch couple of pips coming up, and now the second video is me catching pips on the way down. Okay, went ahead and placed my stop loss. Looking at $31.50. Excuse me, not my stop loss, my take profit. All right, at this is only a four pip, 4.5 pip trade. Um, just because of market structure. Okay, I'm taking what I can get whenever I scalp. Okay, so yeah, it's like a 4 pip. So, and we're just basically gonna see if we get filled. All right. I have a mental stop loss. Okay. And it is definitely not a one-to-one. Okay. All right. It's definitely not a one-to-one. But again, I'm going based off of the structure of the market. I really want to, yeah, put it about here where this wigged out at. So stop loss is about uh, an 11 pip. Okay, so and I'm looking to make 4 pips, so it's almost a 1 to 3. It's not. You definitely don't want to trade that. However, um, when you know structure, cycle manipulation, all right, have an understanding of it, you can attempt these trades. So we'll see if we get filled. Right now, it's kind of bouncing around on, a lot of you guys, your EMA guys, you probably see it bouncing around the 50 right here. That's what the white EMA is here, but I see it trying to um, break structure over here. So, but we do have signs of it breaking downward past the 50, and so I can kind of expect my stop loss to actually be here to give me 10 pips, but we'll take that. All right, we'll shoot for $31.50 to add to our $52.50. Okay, or if you want to be technical, our $49. So we'll see. Let's see if we get filled. Let's see if we get filled. Okay. I just noticed it's 420, guys. All right. It's the I guess the marijuana day. Okay. While others are out spending their money, focusing on getting high, we're inside making money, focusing on getting our balance high. Change of perspective, change of life. So, but yeah, I want to make sure I provide value. So just again, guys, just really think about, when you trade Forex, you want to again shift your mindset into, hey, I'm investing. I'm a business owner. Okay, it's about supply and demand, accumulation and distribution, knowing where the market, um, knowing how the market works and where it flows to. Okay, and so again, hence that's why I call my trading system the workflow template, the workflow trading system. So Um, yeah, I'm sorry, I'm checking another pair. 282. That covers more. All right, so see, it's just kind of bouncing around inside, um, inside of there. So we're gonna get that break. And this was 4.5. We'll do that. Trailing stop at 2 pips. Really not a lot of breathing room, but I'll tell you what, we'll do a trailing stop, trailing stop. We'll do 4 pips. Okay. Right now, at this point, we're waiting. Give me 1 second. Mm, Basically waiting for um, my ask line to cross over my entry. Once that crosses over, then um, it will get filled. I can't believe it did that. Yeah. These spreads or something else. That's the only thing I don't look. That's the only thing I really don't like about trading forex is because of um, how the brokers have set to make their money. Okay, the whole ask and bid and spreads and things like that. So you see, we're in profit now. Uh, 70 cents. Oh, zero. But you guys see how that works. But let's see, we get filled at the 31.50. Yeah, see, we get filled at the 31.50. Okay, alright, that's looking good. 15, still at 6. Okay, could have kept going like that. Alright, let's see if we get filled. I'm expecting for it to go down a lot further. As a matter of fact, cancel that. That's looking good. So, um, expecting that, and I'm doing it on the 15-minute chart. So what we'll do, I could either um, jump up, jump back to the 15-minute chart, but I don't have my setup on the 15-minute chart. So I'll watch this on the 5-minute chart and just um, let this we'll wait for an exhaustion square to come up and just kind of watch market structure to trail our stop. Let me see. Taking a look at the economic calendar. I think I did not see any high impact news it's mainly what I focus on, guys. Is high impact news. So let me just take a look. Yeah, the Aussie, the Australian currency pairs, they have high impact at 9:30 tonight, 9:30 Eastern Standard Time tonight. So that's the only high impact news. All right, so you guys can see that my trailing stop was activated. So that's a guarantee. It's a small trailing stop. Let me see, what did I put my trailing stop as? 4 points. Oh, that's tight. It's a tight trailing stop, but it's not bad. So far, we've been in the trade for about, what is that, 25 minutes. So we're at $20. So within 25 minutes. So I'm gonna cancel that stop loss. Give it room to breathe. All right. So I don't know how many of you guys are making $18, $20, $21, now $24. Man, I gotta stop that. Let's see. Cancel stop loss. Trailing stops. Delete all. Yes, delete all. All right. What did I have that on? It's only too late. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, good thing I did. Just saw you guys saw that live. How they that's basically a stop hunt. Okay. Basically a stop hunt. You see how it's coming down. So you guys see live the manipulation that I talk about. And so again, that's why I don't too much like to use stop losses. All right, because of that. And so just using proper account risk management. Okay, that's gonna help you out. And so for us, again, I was being safe, taking profit up here. Okay, that was the 4 pip profit. But again, I recognize that you could possibly take profit down here and give us a minimum of 10 pips. But what we're gonna do is let the template tell us when they get out. Okay, let the template tell us when they get out. So we got in at this trade at 6:19. Excuse me, at 6:10 a.m. and currently it's 6:37 a.m. I need to find a clock to put on here for you guys when I'm not live. But so right now we're at $52.50, and we've already made we made $49. Taking into account what they took for the spread, we're up 8 pips. Here, let me change the profit to the deposit currency, so you see we're at $56 so far after they take their spread, $53.90, and we're just gonna let this ride until we get an exhaustion. Till we get an exhaustion. Till we get an exhaustion square. I really do think overall this pair, the GU, is gonna go up, but we're scalping, so we're not too much worried about. What it's going to do. Long term. Let's see. Okay. It actually, let me see, did we get filled down here? We did get filled down here. That was the 52. Man, I missed that. We'll let it ride. We'll let it ride until our exhaustion square pops up. maybe USB 14 pips. This would be 24 pips if it goes back down to that low. So let's see. Sorry about that. But yeah, yeah, guys. Again, becoming familiar with market structure, cycle, and manipulation is really going to help you to understand how the market works and where it flows to. Again, with my workflow trading template, I've compiled some open source indicators where a couple of them I was able to recode to help um, be able to identify those three um, um, I'll say those three philosophies of the market. Okay, and so again, I've made it very very simple in trading this thing: exhaustion square, directional arrow, color changing arrow, and you get in. Of course, you have some other confluences that you want to check, but we'll just go with those three. All right. So we're not doing too bad. We've been in this is 6:10. We've been in this for 30 minutes, and we're at $65.62 total after expenses. So again, you look at this like you look at this just like you look at this just like a business, just like a business. Business, it takes money to make money. Okay. Um, you have expenses, you have taxes. So all that is involved in trading forex. But at least you're your own boss, right? So that's why I say forex can sustain your house. I'm not out here trying to promote, um, this high living lifestyle. Kudos to you if you're able to do that. Um, but I want to again um, not just help people make money in forex, but also just help individuals in life. Period. Like, and so just you know, blowing bags is not. It's not the way to live. We're working for our last name. All right, we're the CEOs of our last name, and so you're trying to leave behind an inheritance. So you make money here, pay your bills, and invest the rest. Um, so that's the mindset that I'm pushing here at the Teach Me the Fisher Fix training community. And so, if you like that, then this channel is not for you. This community is not for you. But yeah, so we're just letting this ride. Now the only thing about letting it ride is, like I've always stated, these exhaustion squares they do repaint. Okay. However, if you wait for the um, entry rules that I have created, um, your probability is about 80 to 90%. Okay. Um, Profitability is about 80 to 90%. Okay. So that's what we're doing. We have other pairs that um, we could take a look at, but I'm waiting on that exhaust square. Excuse me. Um, the euro was setting up too. Yeah, yeah, it's already. Let me see. we could actually get in on that one. 46. GU. We're still waiting on GU. Yeah, we were still waiting on GU. But I don't like how that looks. Try to get back into that. So no, we're not gonna do that. Uh, let's just focus on this pair for right now. Let's stay on the 5 minute and see what it gives us. All right, it's just retracing back up. Let's see where we're at. One, two, three, four. Yeah. So that exhaustion square should pop pop up for us. Probably will pop up on us here shortly. But right now it's basically what it's doing is going back into this hidden zone here. Okay, so so far we were 11 pips. Oh no, you're fine. It's all good. 1 second, guys. All right, I am back. So again, like I was saying, it's just retracing back into this hidden supply zone. Again, guys, it's the market manipulation that we talk about. Okay, and again, that's why I'm not too keen on the stop losses, even though they do help. But again, to combat the fact that I don't use stop losses, I am checking the news for high impact news. And again, you guys can go back and check. Right now it's 6:47 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 420, April 20th. Um, the only high impact news for today is the Australian pairs at 9:30 tonight Eastern Standard Time. So, um, and again, just using my system, you can be lazy with it. Of course, you're gonna learn market structure, cycle, and manipulation, but you can be lazy with it and just wait for your exhaustion square to pop up and you know trade trade from there. So again, we're already up today, $52.50. We did that in 13 minutes, and this particular trade we've been in 6:10. So we're coming up on being here for 40 minutes. So within 40 minutes, we're at what, $44. So if you're an individual who makes $44 an hour, we just did it in 40. We just did it in 40 minutes. Okay. So, and we still have room to go. So we're just gonna let that go. Let the market tell us when to get out on this particular trade. Again, most times you can set your take profit, and once that take profit is hit, walk away. Especially if we're just scalping. I mean, it's 10 pips. It's not bad. Um, so we'll wait for that to go. And did I do that? right, guys. Again, you see it's pushing down, so it looks like it's gonna push down past this zone. So we have a new hidden supply. See, we got about 8 seconds left, so we'll go ahead and set that new hidden supply up here. All right, so we just want to watch this area to see if it breaks past this area. All right, it's still going down for us, so that's looking good. We don't have our exhaustion square. So what I'm going to do is just simply make this a trade free trade, or risk free trade rather. So we're at $14 so far, just above this hidden supply that was created outside of our entry. So um, we're at $79. We're at 79, and um, let's retrace them back on us. It's giving us this. So you can, if you take a look down here at the TDI, it's kind of moving into the oversold area. So um, kind of expect for the market to kind of go back and forth on us. So I'm gonna give it room to breathe again. Take that stop loss off. All right. So again, what took place was this hidden supply was tested by this candle, which in turn produced another hidden supply here, which will be tested, but we're going to see if we can go down a little further. What I will do, even though I really don't want to, I'm going to move it to just below break even. Okay, that way you're not losing any money. So, but you're not losing any money. But we're at 70 so far. Just waiting for that to break and create structure. And we're just seeing how far this is gonna let us go. So it's consolidating right now. And we'll just go ahead and take profit once it gives us another pass down here. Let's check on, I want to check on GJ. I think GJ was the other pair I was looking at. Oh, I was on the 15. I can't remember which one. Let's go back to 5 minute chart on GU. Let's push them back down for us. And like I said, when we get that second push down, we'll go ahead and take profit and end the video. See, we've been recording, what, 33 minutes? So we're at 57. So if you make 57 an hour, you're able to make it, what? Oh, I can't go off the record time. I didn't start. Then we started at 6:10. Alright, so we're moving into 50 minutes. So of the trade, still not bad. And we just have the market is just consolidating on this way down. It's pushing back up into this first zone that we had, making that low, the infamous W pattern. And I'm sure if we switch over to the 1 minute chart, we're gonna find an exhaustion square, which we do here. So 1 minute, based on the 1 minute chart, it's probably gonna put us in a deficit because of this hidden zone right here on the 1 minute. So it may push up until there. Oops, I didn't mean to delete those. Let's put it back. And again, this is the 1 minute chart that's doing this to us. See it fluctuating. So guys, we're just waiting on a reason to get out. See how much profit we're gonna make. So not a lot to talk about. If you want, you can watch the video on 2 times speed. So, but once we take profit, we'll come back with some commentary. Okay. All right. All right, guys. So we see it's coming back, giving us another push again. Guys, you see the manipulation. It went up. That's why I canceled the stop loss that I had. Um, Drill down to the 1 minute, so that we had an exhaustion here. Now we have another exhaustion going back the other way. So it's affecting the 5 minute. And if we wanted, we could jump up to the 15 minute and let that ride and wait for it there. But I entered in on the 5 minute, so we'll take profit once this shows. Let's see. Let's we'll take profit there. All right. So this particular trade gave us $96.60. It's still going. We were in this trade from 6:10 Eastern Standard Time to 7:08 Eastern Standard Time, so in less than an hour. 96.60 so far for the day. 142.10. All right, and so I'm gonna continue to go through the day looking for scalping opportunities, and I will come back with the video. So again, today is April 20th, 420. Again, a lot of people are looking to spend their money to get high, but we're going to make money to get our account balances high. So, all right, guys, to the next video. Always remember, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. And until next time, happy pip fishing. Bye bye.